your hands and the dish you produced undoubtedly ended up being yellow. Who would have guessed that the same spice that practically stains everything could also make your yellow teeth whiter? Although many people firmly believe in this strategy, it is unclear why this astounding fact is true. Additionally, gingivitis, sensitive teeth, and toothaches can all be treated with turmeric. Turmeric fights infections, eliminates bacteria, and lessens pain and swelling. Due to the presence of the chemical curcumin, turmeric has been utilized medicinally. Turmeric is combined with baking soda and coconut oil to whiten teeth. Almost anything may be cleaned with baking soda. As sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is known to scientists. By eliminating the acids produced by the bacteria in your mouth, baking soda eliminates stains and plaque from your teeth. Plaque can lead to dental issues like gum disease and tooth decay. Another component is coconut oil, which can remove bacteria from your mouth and treat gum disease, toothaches, bad breath, and dental sensitivity. People refer to this practice as oil pulling, since washing your mouth with coconut oil will remove the bacteria while also aiding in tooth whitening. What you'll need: a bowl, coconut oil, baking soda, a mixing spoon, turmeric powder, measuring spoons, a jar or container for storing the mixture. Steps: 4 tablespoons of dried, organic turmeric root powder should be added to a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 2 1/2 to 3 tablespoons of organic, virgin coconut oil. Mix thoroughly with a spoon or fork. How to apply: apply 2 teaspoons of the turmeric teeth whitening paste to your toothbrush. Brush your teeth gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Swish 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil in your mouth for another minute, then spit it out. Do not drink this mixture as it contains all of your mouth's germs. Use water to rinse your mouth. After a few weeks of repeating this many times per week, cut back to once or twice per week. Attention! The skin surrounding your mouth may become stained from this mixture, so be cautious when brushing your teeth. Apply milk to any spots of yellow turmeric on your mouth for about 10 minutes, then wash them off. Tips: for a few days, keep the leftover mixture in the fridge. If you choose to make a smaller batch, make sure to proportionally reduce all of the components. Your toothbrush will probably become bright orange after using this mixture. Use a different toothbrush with soft to medium bristles just for this whitener. In addition to using this method, remember to take good care of your oral health. Use this technique along with oil pulling with coconut oil to get rid of all bacteria in your mouth. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.